Assalamu alaikum, dear viewer. Hope that you are well, everybody. Today topic is how to make 1% solution to 0.1% solution. Understanding the percent solution. A percent solution usually refers to the mass of the solid per 100 unit of volume of the solution. So weight by volume. For example, a 1% solution means that 1 gram of solute in every 100 milliliter of solution. Similarly, 0.1% solution means that 0.1 gram solute in the 100 milliliter. Using the dilution formula, the formula for this dilution is C1V1 equal to C2V2, where C1 is the initial concentration of the material, B1 is the initial volume, C2 is the final concentration 0.1 which we need, B2 is the final volume. So now calculation. Let's say you want to make 100 milliliter of the 0.1 solution, 1% solution. You can plug the values into the formula. Concentration into volume 1 equal to 0.1% into 100 milliliter. To find the range, rearrange the equation to 10 milliliter. This calculation tells you that you need to 10 milliliters per 1% solution. To find out how much solvent, usually water, you need to add, subtract the initial volume from the final volume equal to B2 minus B1. Steps to make the solution. Measure the stock solution carefully. Measure 10 milliliter of the 1% solution using a gaseous cylinder or a pipette or for better accuracy. Add it to a new container. Transfer the 10 milliliter of 1% into a green. General approach is that to make 10 milliliter of 1% solution, use 1 milliliter of 1% solution plus 9 milliliter solvent means water. To make 50 milliliter of 0.1% solution, use 5 milliliter of 1% solution and 45 milliliter solvent or water. To make 200 milliliter of 0.1% solution, use 20 milliliter of 1% solution plus 180 milliliter of solvent or water. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. এই শোলটা কি মানুষ বানায়? তুই দেখতেছি ভিডিও করতেছি আমি।